uyasebenza ngoba inkosi khona. Yeah,
one thing stood out for me. Uma ngifika ngizwile ukuthi kukhonziwe nje impela. From last night going into the early hours of this morning. Kodwa the passion, the love, ukuzimisela kwabazalwane, and still participating with their whole hearts in the service. That was everything for me. Ubona ukuthi bazimisele ngasebukhoneni kaNkulunkulu. We live in a generation ejahile kakhulu. We're in a rush to go home. We're in a rush to continue with our lives. We're in a rush to do other things. Kodwa ngibone ukuzimisela kokuhlala ebukhoneni kaNkulunkulu, and that for me stood out for me enkonzweni ukuthi it's a people who are hungry for God's presence and they are not in a rush. Kukhona ukuhlangana kodwa kukhona ukuhlangana ebukhoneni bakhe, and intshukumo, it's a gathering of people who are hungry for the presence of God, and God satisfies that hunger. Jehovah uma simlambela, blessed are those who thirst, as they shall be filled. And la uNkulunkulu uyayigcwalisa le ndawo. Ayikho into ekhona kule ndawo engiyibonile njengobukhona bakhe. So kuyakhonzwa la ekhaya. If you want to be revived, if you want to be restored, if you want to be healed, if you want to be, ufuna nje ukukhuthala woze enhlungwini, ufuna ukuphila woze enhlungwini, uzomthola uJehova.